just came out of the store and there's this truck out here. It's got all these nice little things on it, and I thought we'd share it with all you guys. I wonder if this guy likes Obama. Probably not. This is Arizona. I'm on vacation here in Arizona. And this is the one that I liked a lot. And we go around to the back of the truck. And it looks like this guy was a Marine. Disabled Marine at that, because he's got a disabled plate, which I'm not going to show you. But he's got all kinds of neat little signs on his truck. And this one here is pretty funny too. Eat beef. The West wasn't won on salads. So you know he's not a vegetarian. That was so true. And that's right, it's up to you guys to get rid of the other one. That's true. And that's true. And he's not a hater, because he doesn't want you to hate him. He's not a racist, it looks like. So, I'm going to go and... Oh, Mormon than a moron. Okay. And I'm going to post this for all my friends. Goodbye.